Yanelquis Penton, and we are in Malibu Farm.
And I'm John Acuña.
We have two dishes from Malibu Farm. We have the avocado huarache and the impossible pasta. In Malibu, we are very care about our guests, like how they eat it, and it's very sad for us see one of the guests that they don't have nothing on the menu to choose. So we building our menu to make everyone enjoy, either the grandma or the teenager or any or celiac or whatever. So we were thinking about create something that a vegan person can eat and enjoy with the entire family when the dad have a steak or when the mom have a fish. So we create this one as a from the hortopan palmini pasta with impossible meatballs. It's like a traditional Italian pasta, but in the vegan side.
So this one, the impasta, first I blanch the meatballs, the impossible meatballs here. So our impossible meatball here is like, it's made from soy. And we just put like roasted peppers, garlic, and other herbs like salt, pepper, things like that. And we just blanch it real quick, and we put it in the oven to give it like a color. So while we're waiting for the meatball, we sautéed the snap peas and the asparagus. And we blanch the palmini, the hearts of palm. So yeah, we just blanch the hearts of palm real quick to like give it like the al dente texture on it. And after that, we just put it in the sauté pan. We just toss it all around. And after that, we just put some vegan smoked Gouda. Smoked Gouda, toss it all around, and we put some pomodoro sauce on it. And we just, after that, we just plate it and finish it with a vegan parmesan and meatball on top. Yeah. What I like about this dish is like, it tastes like regular pasta, but it's actually like vegan and gluten-free. Especially with the meatball, when you taste it, it doesn't feel like it's soy. It still feels like you're eating meat. You're eating like regular meatball. And with the palmini, it still has the textures of like a regular spaghetti on it, like regular pasta.
I like this dish a lot. I really like how people don't know how you can eat more vegetable, tricking them into your regular meal. Like how he said, like a palmini, like a hortopan, how you can make a noodle from the hortopan with the same texture like spaghetti. It's like you are eating your pasta, but you are eating completely vegetarian. So it's more add greens to your body.
So this dish is like one of the signature dish of Malibu Farm. So this is like the avocado huarache. So first we grill the huarache. So our huarache here is like handmade, freshly made every day. We grill it until it's like cooked. So huarache is like, I believe huarache in Spanish is like, meaning is like slippers. Am I right? Like slippers. So if you look at it, it's like a shape of a slipper. So that's why it's called huarache. So on our huarache, we're using like wheat flour. And so yeah, we just grill the huarache until it's cooked. And then after that, we spread our homemade jalapeño ricotta. What's on the jalapeño ricotta is two types of pepper, serrano and jalapeño. And we put some creme fraiche, ricotta, lemon, just whip it. And yeah, that's it.
Huarache is how we, as a Spanish, we call slipper in our language, but it's a shape of the bread. So we call it huarache for that, but it's a house. Here you have a house-made bread, fresh, how he say, make it every single morning from whole wheat and AP flour. This dish specific was created when we opened in the Miami location as a pizza. We have an avocado pizza in Miami, where we try to bring that idea here to California, introduce here. We don't have stone ovens in our kitchen. We will, but right now we don't. So this is why we try to create something on the bread with avocado. Avocado is very healthy, really good for the body, with a lot of vitamins, fresh oil, natural oil. So we're going to introduce that to our customers, and this is why we create this dish. With different flavors, you can have a spicy, you can have the fresh from the avocado and the creamy, and you can have the sweetness from the honey and the oil. We are in Malibu Farm in California, completely to the other side of where I'm from. I am from Cuba. I grow in the farm. This is natural in myself. So when I find Helene Henderson, who is the chef owner of all this beautiful thing, I feel myself very easy, comfortable with the brand, and this is why I am here.